how to log in Revolut app. If you would like to log into your Revolut application, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Revolut application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is from the bottom you can see two options, login or sign up. If you have not yet created an account, you can just tap on the sign up button from the bottom right. But if you already have an account, you can just tap on the login button. Now when you tap the login option, on the next page you will be asked to enter your phone number, or you can also continue with your email or your Google account. So depending upon whatever it is that your Revolut account is associated with, you want to go ahead and then make sure to select your respective account, and then after that you will be successfully logged in to your Revolut account. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.